Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So to recap on the day, we had a smaller bounce this morning up to our 405 level. Again, our 405 level was the level that we did have as lows of the year from last week. We did drop down below 405 on Monday this week. We did continue on lower yesterday, and we were looking to see if we were going to continue on into lower lows again. As you guys can see, we could not hold that 405 level. We did get rejected. We did continue on lower. We did break into newer lows from yesterday. So the question is, how much lower can we go? What exactly are we looking for as a support level on the larger time frames? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates every single day that I mentioned throughout the week. Again, if you are a day trader or you're just tired of looking at the market all throughout the day and you'd rather have somebody do it for you, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the S&P 500, again, this is the SPY. As you guys can see, we do have our 200 moving average that has been crossing down below our 50. We have been mentioning that does show that we could continue on lower. And as you guys can see on our MACD here, we do have our EMA line still pointing down. 3 days in a row of pointing down here after we did have a small bounce here. So we're looking for these EMA lines to start pointing up so that way we can have a possible bounce here. We do have our EMA lines pointing down below the median of our MACD, so that does still show us that we could continue on lower. Now, we do have CPI coming in tomorrow on pre-market. We'll see how the market reacts and digests on the week. So if we get an increase in CPI, we could continue on lower. If we get a decrease in CPI, we'll see how the market reacts with all this pressure that we've been getting to the downside. Now, again, we do have our channel here that we have been watching, and we have been continuing on lower, looking to see if we are going to test the lower end of our channel. And leading into CPI, again, if we do have a pullback after CPI, then we could be testing the lower end of our channel here and looking for a possible bounce. We'll see exactly how the market reacts. So we'll keep our lower end of our channel here as a possible support, and we'll keep an eye on our volume to see if we do start to increase in buy volume. So we'll continue to stay patient, take what the market gives us, and if we do continue on lower, then we do continue on lower, have more discounts in the market. In my opinion, I know it must be discouraging if you're still holding stocks at this point. We've mentioned multiple times that there's warning signs at 435, 445, multiple times. These huge warning signs that I mentioned multiple times that swings and longs are just not the best plays at this point in time, that we could have more discounts to come. And sure enough, we have been continuing on lower. So again, if we do continue on lower, I'm okay with more discounts in the market. We'll have a ton of upside later on in the market, and just staying focused on intraday respective breakouts like we do in the Instables room every single day. A nice breakout with VRN out the gate this morning, over 175 up to 193, over 10% on that breakout, and a very nice continuation with MICT. Mentioned this before, we got to 80 cents, broke out over 80 cents in pre-market, all the way up to $1, over 10% on that breakout. So again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday respective breakouts, I know the market's very choppy. Swing trades and long trades are just not the best play at the moment. Most breakouts will be pre-market news like we had this morning with STIM, or breakouts out the gate like we mentioned with VRM, or midday runners breaking into new highs like MICT. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables that support the channel every single day, I appreciate every one of you guys. We will continue to go at it. Stay patient, take what the market gives us. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.